have returned, and I have some news for you regarding the next series of Top Gear Series 26. It was confirmed about 2 hours ago today that Top Gear presenter and Friends actor Matt LeBlanc will not be returning after Series 26. Series 26 of Top Gear will be Matt LeBlanc's fourth and final series on the BBC Motoring Show, which is currently presented by Matt LeBlanc, Chris Harris and Rory Reid, with occasional appearances from Eddie Jordan and Sabine Schmitz. Matt LeBlanc joined the Top Gear presenting team in 2016, back in Series 23, where Chris Evans presented the show and later stepped down as main presenter after Series 23 has aired after Series 23 aired in May of 2016 due to poor ratings and bad segments. It was then later confirmed that Matt LeBlanc will be stepping in to captain the show, as Chris Evans felt that Matt LeBlanc was more of a better suited fit to present Top Gear with, alongside Rory and Chris Harris, who are both motoring journalists and former YouTube stars. Series 25 kicked off very positively at the beginning of 2018 and wrapped filming in April of the same year. It's only just recently finished, and speaking in a statement today to BBC News, Matt LeBlanc has said of his retirement that due to the extensive travelling and time commitment, it is unfortunate that he will be stepping down. He continued that he wishes the team the very best in the future of the show, and he has condemned his successes to his current co-presenters Rory and Chris Harris. The attention now turns to the onlook of finding a new presenter for Matt LeBlanc, as he is due to step away from his presenting roles later this year. I will have more Top Gear Series 26 news for you very soon. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Please like the video on social platforms, leave a comment down below, and share them. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Anyway, we hope you enjoyed those films, and all that remains now is for us to say thank you for watching.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you very much for watching, and, well, goodbye.
Goodbye.